AI avatars are taking over right now. Creators everywhere are using them to grow faceless channels, build audiences across multiple platforms, and even run entire businesses while AI does most of the work. I get tons of messages asking how to make avatars like these. So in today's video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own realistic AI avatar from scratch. Now, here's the thing. Most AI avatar tools can be time-consuming, expensive, and often don't deliver great results. That's why I want to show you a tool that's not only easy to use, but also gives realistic outcomes. The tool is called CapCut, and if you've seen my videos before, you know I use it a lot. They recently launched a brand new AI dialogue feature, and after testing it, I was honestly impressed with how real it looks and sounds. In this tutorial, we'll go through 3 simple steps. First, I'll show you how to use the AI dialogue feature to create an avatar using built-in assets in just a few minutes. Then, I'll show you how to make a custom AI avatar using a single prompt and even turn one image into a full AI video. Finally, I'll share a few extra tools inside CapCut that can make your videos stand out and help you build a stronger personal brand. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to download CapCut on your computer directly from their official website. I've dropped the link down below in the description. Downloading it is super easy. Just click the download button and it should start automatically. Once the file finishes downloading, open it up and follow the on-screen steps to install. Just a few quick clicks and you're done. After launching CapCut, you'll notice a bunch of cool tools and features on the main dashboard, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on one thing, the brand new AI dialogue feature. So, go ahead and open that. When it loads up, you'll see the AI dialogue panel appear on the left side of your screen. Right next to it, there's a menu with some extra features we'll explore a bit later in the video. Now to begin, you'll need to upload an image of your avatar in the main image section. In my case, I've uploaded a picture of a young girl sitting next to her cat. But you can use any image you want for your AI avatar. Once your image is uploaded, CapCut will automatically detect any characters in it and separate them for you. From here, you can choose which avatar you want to do the talking, and the lip sync will be applied only to that character. In my case, I'll select the girl in the image. Right below the character section, you'll see a script box where you can type out the dialogue for your voiceover. You can also upload an existing voice recording or even record your voice directly inside CapCut if you prefer. For this example, I'll type a short script of the girl talking about her cat, who is her best friend. Just under that, you'll find a voice selection panel with a variety of AI-generated voices you can use for the dialogue. The quality of these voices is really impressive. They sound clean and natural. If you click on More Voices, you'll see additional filters to help you find the right one. For this video, I'll choose the Trending Voices filter, since those are the most popular options right now. You can preview each one and pick the voice that fits your avatar best. In my case, I'll go with the Blake voice, since it matches the tone and personality of the character in my image. Once you've chosen your voice and added your script, you'll see the project has a small credit cost, around 36 credits, which is very affordable. Now, all that's left to do is click the Generate button on the right side of the screen. CapCut will process everything automatically, and just like that, the generation will begin. Once the video starts generating, it'll automatically appear in your timeline. All you have to do now is wait for the process to finish. But don't worry, it only takes a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see that your entire video is ready to go. And honestly, it's super easy to create. Let's take a quick look at how it turned out.
This is Leo. He's my best friend.
As you can see, the voice matches the avatar perfectly, and the lip sync is spot on. The subtle movements of both the girl and the cat make the video feel much more natural and realistic, which is pretty impressive considering how little effort it took. Alright, now let's move on to the next part. I'll show you how to create your own custom AI avatar image inside CapCut using nothing but a simple text prompt. We'll then use that image to make another talking avatar video. To start, look over at the menu on the left-hand side and open the AI image feature. Once you're inside, the first step is to write your image prompt. This tells the AI exactly what kind of character you want to generate. For this example, I'll type a prompt describing a woman in his early 30s, facing slightly to the right. I'll also add a few short details about how she should look, just to guide the AI a bit more. Below that, you'll see the generation model options. There are 4 different models you can use, and they all produce solid results. Feel free to experiment with them. For this demo, I'll select Image 2.0 Pro, since it usually gives the most realistic and detailed output. Next, right under that, you'll find the aspect ratio settings. You can pick whichever format works best for your project, but in my case, I'll set it to 16:9 because I want a horizontal image. Once everything's ready, click the Generate button at the bottom, and CapCut will start creating your custom AI avatar image automatically. The generation process is really quick, usually around 10 seconds, and once it's done, your image will be ready to go. I'll drag it up to the top of the timeline so we can take a closer look. As you can see, the result looks amazing. Along with your main image, CapCut also generates 3 extra variations that you can preview and switch between using the menu on the right side. As we scroll through them, you'll notice that every image looks clean, detailed, and realistic. Exactly what we need for a professional-looking avatar. Once you've reviewed all the options, pick the one you like best. Then, open the settings panel below and click the download button to save your chosen image. Next, head back over to the AI dialog feature from the menu on the left. Start by removing the old image and then upload the new one you just created. Now, it's time to add your script. In the box below, type out what you want your avatar to say. For this example, I'll write a short introduction where the avatar introduces itself. After that, scroll down to the voice section and choose the voice you want to use for the dialogue. There are quite a few interesting voices to pick from, so take a moment to test a few. For this demo, I'll go with the Aria voice just because it adds a fun twist to the character. Once everything is set, your image, script, and voice, click the Generate button to start the process. Depending on the length of your script, it usually takes about a minute to finish. And just like that, we've created a brand new talking AI avatar video completely from scratch. Now, I'll move this clip to the end of the timeline so it doesn't overlap with our earlier scenes. Once that's in place, let's hit play and see how it turned out.
Hey, I'm Alicia. I'm passionate about creativity, travel, and helping others find inspiration online.
As you can see, the video looks fantastic. The quality is sharp, the lip sync is accurate, and the avatar's movements feel smooth and natural. So now that you've seen how to make a talking avatar video, let's move on to the next step, creating cinematic videos using CapCut's AI video feature. Head over to the menu on the left and open AI Video. This tool lets you create videos either from text or from images. For this example, we'll go with image to video. The first step is to upload an image. I've uploaded one of a man stands on a rocky peak with an eagle. Next, in the model section, you'll see 3 video generation models. I'll select Video 2.0 since it gives great results and is also budget-friendly. Below that, you'll find some extra settings. You can adjust the motion speed, tweak the camera control, and set the video duration. I'll keep mine at 5 seconds to keep things quick. You can also choose your aspect ratio, which automatically matches your image format. In this case, it's 16:9. Once everything's ready, just hit Generate, and the process will begin. It usually doesn't take long, so I'll skip ahead to when it's done. Now that it's finished, I'll drag the clip to the end of the timeline, and let's check out the result. As you can see, the video is pretty good. The motion is smooth. The only downside is the last couple of seconds, where it looks like the eagle's walking in the air. You can easily fix that by tweaking your prompt or refining the settings for a cleaner result. Now, let me show you another really cool feature, one that lets you create a talking AI avatar in just a few clicks. To do this, open the AI avatar section from the top menu. Once you're in, you'll see 2 options. You can either create your own custom avatar or pick from a list of ready-made templates. There's a pretty big selection here, and the quality is impressive. For this example, I'll pick one of the podcast-style avatars, which looks perfect for a simple professional setup. Once you've chosen your template, click Next, and you'll be taken to the voiceover settings. Here, you can either upload your own voice or type out a custom script. I'll type a short intro script of a man talking about faceless YouTube channels. Next, under the script box, you'll find the voice options. For this example, I'll filter the list to show narration voices, since they fit best with this kind of format. From there, I'll pick the Adam voice, which sounds clear and professional. Once everything's ready, click Generate, and the rendering process will begin. It usually doesn't take long. To save a bit of time, I'll skip ahead, and once the video is ready, I'll drag it to the end of the timeline. Now, let's take a look at how it turned out.
Welcome. In today's episode, We're diving into the world of faceless YouTube and what it means for profit and growth.
The result looks awesome. The lip sync, hand gestures, and overall motion are incredibly smooth. If you're planning to use this feature for your business, it's definitely worth it, especially considering how affordable it is. And with that, we've gone through all the new CapCut AI features. From creating talking avatars to generating full videos, you're officially ready to start applying these tools to your own projects. So, if you're thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel or growing pages on TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform, these AI features can save you a ton of time and make your content look next level. If you'd like me to do a deep dive on one specific CapCut feature, drop a comment below and let me know which one you want to see next. I hope this video was helpful and valuable for you. I wish you the best of luck, guys. See you in the next video.